$10. Your name with $10.
So
because whenever I ask every receipt, the moment I write a receipt, because by the end of today, the reporter is in Inkomo Zambile, how much money, this much. So if I ask next team, tomorrow it will be 30. You see, so it's Inkomo this, that, if we are in Inkomo is incha lap, if I chela kutikule is incha 5. So if I ask 1 for those 5 is incha $10. Next day 20. You see, let's Inkomo lapana. Yeah, because I should have pinned it. Angarasa. It's never 4 days. And if I was itata namta tomorrow i5th Inkomo.
Maze lizibambile kukhona elikwenzayo ukuthi khona right liyabafonela abanikazi ukuthi nanzi inkomo zakho lapha. Do you do that?
Yeah, usually communicate through WhatsApp.
Mina nzange ubone phela lokho ukuthi la report.
I'm still gathering the group. And mina ngizi yo WhatsApp ye village. But I'm trying to communicate ama villages. And okay. Zolo kubeli meeting ama councillors, veterinary, agri-techs,
ilenze bikhona bekule agri-techs, veterinary nelenze
ama councillors,
lama councillors, ama councillors ka what
district council,
ama councillors thenga what bani what 15 17 and 16.
But our councillors were around 5.
All right.
I don't know those ones from which words. And the agenda was about pounding. And no, it's Wednesday, not
Wednesday. All right.
So today in Friday, so today should be $30. But mina ngibona high. Up from meeting ngitatele Inkomo about 3500. Say, but I say I know. Today I will just ignore and start tomorrow, which is yesterday.
All right.
Then today, and our councillors, they said we are going to tell everyone. You see, hey, the pound master is already started. Should have started on 1 March, but I had to start on 11. Even is it 11 or 12?
Bona mabe discussa babe sithi iboundary yankhona ikuphi. Lapho kuthathwa khona inkomo.
Ayifuni izinkomo e-town council. Town council, you see, from Yonai River, you see, hospital, highway to Esigodini turn off, agriculture, and then Ama location, then town council.
When amabe lokuza be explainer, angithi pound master yi pounds. He pounds inkomo angithi. You pound angithi. Angithi ma upounder kumele kube le boundary first. Ukuthi kumele kube le boundary and then you pound. I-boundary yazi but i-boundary yangikhona bafakile yini bona ucingo lokuthi khona inkomo ziyadlula or
what town council bathi ufama who put i-boundary ama-paddocks akhe. And even if wena uhambe eHarare or uhambe eGweru awuboni ama-boundary ama-paddocks because yona Esigodini
but ngomthetho wesikiti phela kumele uqale upound ngithi. Before you pound, you first bound and then you pound.
Ayisebenze. Egweru kunali pound. Gweru town today kunali pound mass, but akunali boundary. The moment it gets into the town, in the location, it's pounded. Wabona kunali plots about 3 kilometers or 2 kilometers. That side, you see, from here to that side, it's very far. There will be a plotted hospital there. But the moment it's getting there,
but sesikhuluma ngento elengqondo kodwa lawe